Hello guys, today we will solve another problem which is related to the BODMAS rule and the PEMDAS rule. So another question has arose and many people get this question wrong. So how to solve this? I will tell you the correct method to reach the correct answer because many people get confused when they stuck on the second or third place. So I will tell you according to the BODMAS rule and the PEMDAS rule. So I will tell you the board. So firstly the PEMDAS rule says PEMDAS. What does PEMDAS says and BODMAS says? PEMDAS. P for parenthesis, E for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. And for BODMAS, B for bracket, O for operation, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So firstly we will solve according to BODMAS rule. Firstly we will solve brackets. What does bracket says? 10 minus 2 whole square divided by 4 plus 3 multiplied by bracket 6 minus 3. Then firstly we will solve the inner bracket. This is the big brackets and this is the big brackets. Firstly we will solve the inner bracket, which is 10 minus 2, which is 8. 8 square divided by 4 bracket plus 3 multiplied by bracket 6 minus 3, because these are two brackets. 6 minus 3 is a one bracket and these bigger brackets. Then we will solve the squares number. You have to learn and memorize the all squares number from 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square, and 10 square. What are the square numbers? 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square equal to 16, 4 square is equal to 16, 5 square is equal to 25, 6 square is equal to 36, 7 square is equal to 49, 8 y square is equal to 64, 9 square is equal to 81, and the last square is equal to 100. So these are the squares number you have to learn and memorize by your heart. So this 8 square is over here, which is 64. 8 square is 64 divided by 4 bracket plus 3 into 3, because 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Then 64 divided by 4, which we will get 16, plus 3 multiplied by 3 will be written as it is. Then according to the BODMAS and PEMDAS, we will solve 3 into 3. We will not solve 16 plus 3 because it is a wrong method. According to the BODMAS rule, we will solve 3 plus 3. Always we will solve 3 into 3. Always we will solve 3 into 3, and 16 will be written as it is, plus 3 3 is 9. Then 16 plus 9 is 25. This is the correct method and the correct solution and the correct answer you will get at the end of this question. So I hope that you have understand that today's lesson, and I hope that you felt amazing at today's lesson. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment that how you felt this video, interesting or amazing, and be updated for more interesting questions. And I will update you and I will give you more interesting questions for practice in our next class for practice. And we will from next week we will turn up to on to a new topic. Thank you.